Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to give you my spicy pickled egg recipe. Let's go. Alright, our first step is to get a pot of cold water boiling on the stove. So we're going to add a nice pinch of salt, and to the cold water we're going to add our eggs so that they kind of heat up together. Try not to crack them as you put them in. There we go. Okay, now that our water is to a rolling boil, we're going to turn the heat off. We're going to cover it, and we're going to remove it from the heat and just let it sit for 15 minutes. Alright, we're going to add some ice to a bowl, and then we are going to take out our eggs and put them in our ice bath. We're going to let those fully cool. Okay, we are going to carefully crack and peel our eggs to set aside for now. I'm always terrible at this. I kind of do it in the water here. Okay, to a pan on the stove, we're going to add 2 cups of white vinegar, half a cup of filtered water, a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and these are my homegrown ones, about a tablespoon of minced garlic, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of pickling spice, and half a cup of honey. And if your honey is kind of crystallizing like this, you can throw it in the microwave for a couple seconds and it'll liquefy again. And then we are going to slice up 1 white onion. And I'm just going to do kind of thick slices here. We'll add those. Okay, next up we're going to slice up some homegrown habanero, and I am going to wear gloves for this because I have learned the lesson the hard way that this will burn your fingers, especially if you get it under your nails. So we're going to de-stem these. And then we're just going to slice these into rings, and we're going to leave the seeds in. And then after this, you want to make sure you really clean your knife and board really well, because the capsaicin, which is what makes everything spicy, will stay on the blade and your cutting board. So we'll toss those in and wash these thoroughly. I'm also going to add in just a pinch of black pepper, about a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and about a teaspoon of coriander seeds. And then we'll just give this a stir and let it bubble away for about 10 minutes. Alright, it has been 8 minutes. Whew, this is strong. I like to pickle on days where I can open the window and turn on my attic fan because it is pungent. So we're going to turn the heat off, and I'm going to add a few of the veggies to the bottom of a clean mason jar. Like that. Then I'm going to plop in my eggs. Now, I don't quite have enough liquid, so you can go in with some more vinegar and top it off. But we want to leave about a 1/4 inch at least of headspace. And then we're just going to let this cool down, and then we will stick it in the refrigerator for about 3 weeks. You do need to wait so that the egg can kind of absorb all of the flavor, but trust me, it is worth the wait. So once this is cool, we'll stick it in the fridge, and then we'll have a yummy, spicy snack in about 3 weeks' time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.